Mini Cooper 5-door long-term test review, pictures. I've got the January blues. Nope, it's nothing to do with an already broken New Year's resolution, a distinct lack of mince pies in my cupboard, or the terrifying thought of a dry month ahead. The Mini Cooper 5-door is departing our fleet, and a little earlier than I would have liked. I've chalked up a few thousand miles in the baby Brit since its arrival on a scorching August day last year, right in the wake of our feel-good World Cup summer. It feels bad having to wave goodbye in the cold depths of winter. This is a car I've really warmed to, and would love to have spent a bit more time with over the impending cold snap. Before my 6 months with the Mini, I'd only ever had a brief taste of BMW's modern interpretation of the British icon. Yet on its departure, I'm convinced that this is one of the best super minis you can buy. While the best-selling Ford Fiesta is the class's top all-rounder, with its slightly more entertaining driving experience and keener price, I see the Mini as being a rung up the ladder in terms of desirability. Posh small cars aren't the easiest sell these days, especially now that the Fiesta is more capable than ever. However, when it's lined up next to rivals like the Volkswagen Polo and the new Audi A1, the Mini remains the most convincing small premium car on the market. The reason for this is quite simple: it's a car on a charm offensive. The Polo and the A1 both hang a lot of their upmarket statuses on borrowing from bigger siblings, be it interior tech, materials or switchgear. However, given the width of the Volkswagen Group and the existence of cheaper siblings such as the Seat Visa, they don't feel as unique as the Mini. Put simply, the Mini excels as a small posh hatchback because it feels like a star car in its own right, rather than a smaller, cheaper member of a premium brand's lineup. It also doesn't get hung up on using materials and modernity alone to sell itself as a premium item. Instead, it uses smart, endearing, timeless design to set itself apart from the crowd. The model feels like a mission and fun, rather than function. The Mini is one of the most customizable new models on sale, too, and it's well suited to being injected with its driver's personality rather than its maker's. We took this to another level by fitting our car with some of the new Mini Yours customized parts the moment we got it last summer.